Welcome back friends. This is second video in fundamentals and we are going to discuss how Gen AI works. It means that whenever you are asking something, what are the process and step generative AI takes to give you answer. So for example, if you are asking something like I want to book a flight to Paris next week. So what generative AI will do? Generative AI will get the intent from your question. So intent is I want to book flight, and then it will extract all those keywords like key data, that is what you used in your question. Based on that, it will able to find the intent like you want to book the flight, and then it will also analyze the data like you have destination, that is Paris, and your travel plan is next week, and then it will search in the knowledge base like whatever information you have. Based on that, it will give you answer. So for example, great choice. To ensure we get it right, could you confirm the departure city and your travel class preference? I will take care of rest. It means that after analyzing your question, it will find that you don't have city, departure city, and travel class. That is what it will ask you. Once you will give, then it will go back your knowledge base, and based on that it will give you answer. So whenever you are asking something, first it will try to get the intent, all those keywords you are using, and then based on that it will analyze the data, ask you something more if it is not there, and then it will take action whatever required to complete your command. So this is how Gen AI works, and this model we use behind Copilot. But Microsoft Copilot is all about, that is what you can use in your enterprise, with your enterprise data in your organization, and that's why based on this pattern Microsoft created, like you can connect with all those data source and able to get the data. So how you can do that? If you see here, my friend, like how Copilot works, look at this diagram. So the very first thing, whenever you are asking question, the first thing it will do, it will able to rewrite your question. So AI will able to search based on that. Then it will retrieve the content. So based on your query, it will go to your data source, whatever data source you have, and then it will retrieve the data source and give back to you. So the data source we have, that is what you will, that is phenomenal, you can say. You can connect with any kind of data source which you use in your enterprise, in your organization. For example, you can connect with the public data, but make sure that your site is indexed by Bing, and also Bing is not restricted in that area. And if you are authenticating, in that case you will get better result. You can also connect with the SharePoint. The restriction is that you must have SharePoint access, and the good point is, like if you don't have access of that data, you will not able to retrieve that data. And that's the most important thing for any organization, that whatever data you store, you don't want that someone can just use a tool and access your data. You don't want to give your data access to someone else, and that kind of restriction you get when you use Microsoft 365 Copilot. You can also upload files, and whatever file you will upload, make sure that their size should not be more than 512 MB. It will be stored in the Dataverse, and maximum 500 files you can store per agent. So that kind of restriction you have. Data was stable. You know that all those Microsoft applications, their data base is in Dataverse, so you can easily connect with all those business applications data, but make sure that you have access of those table based on your license. And then you can connect with the graph connector, real-time connectors you can create, like you can connect with the Salesforce, you can connect with the ServiceNow, you can connect with the Gendex, you can also connect with Azure SQL, Azure AI search. Azure AI search is based on AI search, semantic search, where you will upload the data. AI will create embeddings the the technology behind AI search, and then whatever you will search, AI will able to go and search within your data. So you can index your data based on the AI technology, and that is what you can connect with the Copilot as well. And then, my friend, you can also connect with the custom data like HTTP request for third party application you want to connect. So all those data source you can use in Microsoft 365 Copilot, and then you will able to get the data. And after that, once you will get the data, what AI will do after that, so uh, let me show. Then AI will summarize and give back to you. So that is what you will get towards the end. Whatever data AI will get, AI will summarize the data and give you answer, and that answer you can use for your purpose. And the next thing, my friend, like the most important thing, and that is what you get in Microsoft 365 Copilot, that is validation at every step. Because Microsoft AI is all about ethical AI. So it is not going to extract any data where you can face legal challenge. So that's the most important thing nowadays. Like AI using any kind of data where you don't have even authority to use that data. So Microsoft AI is not like that. Whatever data you authorized, whatever data is public legally, you will get answer based on that data only, my friend. So this is how Copilot works. Now you have better understanding that how generative AI works, what is the structure, and the same structure how we are using in Microsoft 365 Copilot. How whenever we are asking question, how it will rewrite the question, and after that it will retrieve data from multiple sources and then summarize and give back to you. So in next video, my friend, we'll discuss about prompts, because whatever question you are asking, that's a prompt. So whenever you will write a better prompt, you will get better result, and that is what we will understand in next video, how you can write a better prompt to get better result from Microsoft Copilot or any other generative AI. See you in next video.